Navigating the digital world. How to keep your kids safe online. We live in a time when kids are more connected to the internet than ever before. Whether they're streaming videos, chatting with friends, or playing games, the online world has become a big part of their everyday lives. While the internet offers amazing opportunities, it also comes with unique challenges, especially when it comes to safety. So, how can you keep your kids safe online? Let's explore some practical ways to make their digital experience safe, fun, and enriching. 1. Start the conversation early. The first step to keeping your kids safe online is communication. It's important to discuss what's okay to share online and what's not. Talk about the potential risks of online interactions in a way that's light, relatable, and age-appropriate. If your child feels comfortable talking about what they experience online, they're more likely to bring up any issues before they become problems. 2. Use parental controls. Today, many devices and platforms offer helpful parental controls. These features let you manage what your child can see, share, and access. The American Academy of Pediatrics recommends setting up these controls on smartphones, tablets, and laptops. This can help keep your child away from inappropriate content. Be sure to check the controls regularly and adjust them as your child's interests and needs change over time. 3. Educate about cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is a serious threat to kids online. Research shows that about 1 in 5 students experience cyberbullying. It's important to talk to your child about what cyberbullying looks like and how it can affect people. Encourage your child to speak up if they're targeted or if they witness bullying. Letting them know that they're not alone and that they can always come to you will make them feel supported and empowered to stand up against online bullying. 4. Set screen time limits. With all the entertainment and social media options available, it's easy for kids to spend too much time online. But excessive screen time has been linked to sleep issues, mental health concerns, and even poor posture and eye strain. Too much screen time can also affect academic performance. Setting daily screen time limits and encouraging breaks can help balance digital time with other important activities. Try setting up tech-free zones like the dinner table, where the family can reconnect without distractions. 5. Teach privacy and security. In today's digital world, personal information is often just a click away. Teaching your child the importance of privacy and security is crucial to keeping them safe online. Help them understand why they should never share sensitive information like passwords, full names, or addresses. Teach them about creating strong, secure passwords and setting up two-factor authentication wherever possible. Remind them that not everyone online is who they claim to be and to always be cautious when sharing information. 6. Lead by example. Your kids are watching you, and your online behavior can set the tone for theirs. Practice good digital habits by being mindful of what you post online, respecting others' privacy, and keeping your devices secure. When your children see you being responsible and thoughtful about your online activities, they're more likely to mirror those behaviors. The digital world is full of exciting possibilities, but it's important to take steps to keep your kids safe online. Remember, staying involved in their digital lives isn't about policing their every move. It's about offering guidance and building trust.